The countdown to DJI's next major reveal has quietly become one of the most closely watched moments in the compact camera world. And all credible signs now point toward December 18, 2025, as the day the DJI Pocket 4 steps into the spotlight. Not just as a new product, but as a strategic move that could define DJI's future in one of its most important markets. According to multiple insider reports, including a leaked email from Photo Rabs and supply chain chatter out of Shenzhen, DJI has locked itself into an extremely narrow launch window between December 18th and December 23rd, 2025. And this timing is no coincidence. Under the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, the FCC is required to make a determination by December 23rd on whether DJI will be audited for national security compliance. If that audit does not happen within the mandated timeframe, DJI risks automatic placement on the FCC blacklist, a scenario that could severely restrict its ability to sell consumer products in the United States. With the U.S. market accounting for an estimated 40% of DJI's global revenue, the stakes could not be higher. By officially unveiling and certifying the Pocket 4 before that deadline, DJI protects existing approvals, keeps retail and online channels open, reassures partners and distributors, and locks in visibility at a moment when uncertainty would otherwise dominate headlines. But while regulatory pressure explains the urgency, the Pocket 4 itself is shaping up to be far more than a rushed release designed to beat the clock. Reports from inside DJI suggest that the Pocket 4 has been ready longer than many people realize, with internal testing already taking place in select retail environments where employees are openly comparing it side by side with the Pocket 3, leaked sample footage circulating privately among reviewers points to substantial jumps in real-world performance, especially in low-light environments where the Pocket line has historically struggled compared to larger cameras. Improved stabilization appears immediately noticeable, with smoother horizon leveling and more confident subject tracking even during fast walking or handheld motion, while dynamic range gains reduce blown highlights and crushed shadows in challenging lighting scenarios such as night streets, indoor scenes, and sunset transitions. These improvements strongly suggest that mass production is already underway and that DJI's marketing rollout is simply waiting for the final green light. Influencers and beta testers are widely expected to release direct comparisons the same day as the official reveal, reinforcing the idea that this launch has been meticulously planned despite the external pressure surrounding it. Pricing expectations also align neatly with DJI's historical patterns, with the base Pocket 4 likely falling between $699 and $799, while rumors of a higher-end Pro or Zoom variant point to a possible early 2026 release priced closer to $899. At the same time, the Pocket 3's recent price drop to around $529 strongly indicates inventory clearance, a classic DJI move that almost always precedes a successor's arrival. The 26-month gap since the Pocket 3 fits perfectly with DJI's established product rhythm, adding yet another layer of credibility to the December 18th timeline. Meanwhile, excitement around DJI's broader camera lineup has only intensified due to recent leaks surrounding the Osmo Action 6, which appears poised to redefine expectations in the action camera segment. Images shared by Igor Bogdanov show both standard and adventure combo configurations, revealing a refined but purposeful design approach. The standard combo offers a clean, entry-ready kit with the camera, rechargeable battery, USB-C cable mounting frame, adhesive base, screw mount, and accessory pads, clearly aimed at everyday creators and casual users. The Adventure Combo, by contrast, is stacked for serious use, bundling 3 intelligent batteries, a charging case, extension rod, quick-release mounts, anti-fog inserts, and additional screws, signaling DJI's intent to appeal to demanding outdoor filmmakers and travelers. One subtle but intriguing change is the redesigned battery and SD card compartment mechanism, which now slides sideways rather than upward, suggesting a revised internal layout that may improve sealing, usability, or long-term durability. At the core of the Action 6 is a rumored 1.1-inch sensor, a significant leap that promises better low-light performance, richer color reproduction, and improved detail retention. Even more surprising is the reported inclusion of a variable aperture system ranging from f2 to f4, an almost unheard-of feature in the action camera world that would allow creators to adapt more effectively to changing light conditions without relying entirely on digital adjustments. While moving parts in a rugged camera raise understandable durability concerns, DJI's track record in engineering resilient hardware lends confidence that this feature is not being introduced lightly. All of this context feeds back into the Pocket 4 story, because it shows a company doubling down on sensor performance, computational imaging, and creator-focused workflows across its entire lineup. The Pocket 3 gained praise for its 1-inch sensor and rotating screen, but was often criticized for bulk and balance compromises. And leaked information about the Pocket 4 suggests DJI has re-engineered the internal gimbal and component placement to reduce weight while improving stability and comfort. A lighter frame could indicate more efficient motors, smarter materials, or even multiple variants, with a base model optimized for portability and a heavier Pro version rumored to support dual lenses or even 8K video down the line. Documentation related to battery safety and compliance further confirms that the Pocket 4 is well past the conceptual phase and deep into final testing, a stage that typically happens only months before release. Battery life estimates pushing toward 180 minutes. Combined with improved low-light performance and integrated audio enhancements, position the Pocket 4 as a serious response to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo, all of whom have been aggressively targeting the compact creator market. Taken together, every leak, inventory shift, document appearance, and insider confirmation paints a remarkably consistent picture. DJI is not quietly fading into caution or retreating from handheld cameras. Instead, it is preparing one of its most important launches under extraordinary circumstances, using the Pocket 4 as both a technological statement and a strategic safeguard. While DJI remains publicly silent, the leaks speak volumes. And they all suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 will not simply be an incremental update, but a refined, powerful, and carefully engineered device designed to solidify DJI's dominance in the pocket camera segment at a moment when precision, timing, and innovation matter more than ever.